notebook. Everybody, take your math textbook and notebook. First, open your textbook. Page number 89. Open your first. You take textbook and notebook. First, open textbook. Exercise 4. Page number 89. Exercise 4. Open your textbook. Exercise 4. Page number 89. Okay, Nana? Everybody open that one. Yes? And what is today's date, Nana? 18, 1, 21, right here. And what date is? Monday. Okay? So, once we hear what we have to do, we have to divide using number line. What it is? Divide using number line.
ఏ చిన్న తప్పు జరిగినా దానికి కారణం మేమే అయి ఉంటామని ఎన్నో మాట్లాడేవాడిని. ఇప్పుడు తమ్ముడు కూడా అనుమానిస్తున్నావా?
Okay, Nana? Next. Look at the first one. Look at the first problem.
గెలిస్తే మొత్తం అదే చేసినట్టు, ఏదైనా తేడా వస్తే మాత్రం దానికి మనలో ఎవరో ఒకరు తప్పు చేసినట్టు చిత్రీకరించడం దీనికి అలవాటే కదా. అందుకే ఈ ఓటమి బాధ్యత తమ్ముడు మీద పెట్టేసుకుంటుంది.
ఎవరు తప్పులు చేస్తున్నారో,
4,
ఎవరు అందరినీ కాచుకుంటూ వస్తున్నారో
5,
బాగా తెలుసమ్మా.
6, 7,
అవును
8,
మేడం, నేను సూర్య మేడం వేయబోయే
9,
ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసింది
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
అంటే ఇంటి పరువుని మా నాన్న పెడితే మా తమ్ముడే చెడగొట్టాడంటారా?
16, 17,
వాడు నీ కొడుకు నాన్న.
18,
ఇంటికి వ్యాపారానికి వారసుడు.
19,
ప్రాజెక్ట్
20,
ఉపయోగం కానీ పోతే వాడికి ఉపయోగం.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
అమ్మ సూర్య,
22, 23,
కవర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి
24, and 25.
అలా
Now,
చేస్తానని
look at the first one. Here I am writing the question mark. 24 divided by 6.
మరి మనకు
Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this number which is 6 by using the number line. Okay, Nana? Have you opened the textbook, Nana? Exercise 4, page number 89. Okay. Now see this one. This what number it is, ma? 24. What number it is? 24. What is this one? 6. What is this number? 6. What sign it is? Divided by. What sign it is? Divided by. Okay. So for the addition, what sign you will use? Plus. For the subtraction, what is the sign? Minus. For the multiplication, what is the sign? Into. Like that. For the division, what is the sign? Divided by. These are the basic, simple, basic operations in our mind. Okay. So addition means plus, subtraction means minus, multiplication means into. This is divided by means for division. We will use this divided by for the division. Now what is the meaning of this? We have to divide 24 by 6. We have to divide this 24 by 6. Means yes, we have 24 chocolates. How many chocolates we have, Nana? 24 chocolates. Okay. This first number is
ఎవరు అంటే
total chocolates.
సొంత వాళ్ళే.
Okay, how many chocolates we have? 24. And this is
ఆ విషయం
your
అడిగితే
friend.
నేను
How many are there? 6 members. How many friends? 6 members. We have 24 chocolates. We have 24 chocolates. How many children are there here? 6 members. So what you have to do? You have to distribute these 24 chocolates equally among these 6 children. Understood, Nana? of this 24 divided by 6 means
ప్రతి
24 chocolates are there. How many members should share that one? 6 members. How many members should share? 6 members. So these 6 members should share 24 chocolates. Now we have to find each one how many they will get. Each person how many will get, we have to find. Understood, Nana? You have to understand the meaning first. You have 24 chocolates. But your friends are 6 members. Your friends are 6 members. Now you have to share these 24 chocolates among yourselves. Understood? Among you, you have to distribute these 24 chocolates. Okay? First, how many chocolates we have? 24. So where is the 24? Find out that 24. Yes, you circle that 24. On the number line, where is the 24? You find out? There. Okay? Yes, you circle that number. First, you have 24 chocolates. How many members should share that 24 chocolates? 6 members. So each time you have to count 6 numbers. Okay, Nana? Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you got 18. Now join those two.
మీరు వచ్చి సైన్ చేయండి
18. First you have 24. So everybody took one chocolate. How many left here? 18. How many left here? 18. So these 18 also you want to distribute. So again 6 members will get 6 chocolates. Yes? Start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where you got, Nana? 12. It is 12. Now join 12 and 8. Up to now for the number line, start from 0. Isn't it? For addition number line, for subtraction, for multiplication, you start from 0 onwards. Isn't it? Now this is reverse one. Here 24 is there. From that you have to move back. From that you have to move back. You have 24 chocolates. Each time you have to count 6. From 24 onwards you should start. Each time you have to count 6 chocolates. So now again, how many chocolates are left here? 12. So again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now join 6 and 1. Now join 6 and 12. Okay, still 6 chocolates are left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many chocolates are left with you, Nana? 0 chocolates. How many chocolates are left with you? 0 chocolates. Okay. So here first time you took. Everybody take one chocolate. Isn't it first time? Now second time also you take one. So second jump. Again here third. Again here fourth. First here you take, everybody take one chocolate. The second step, another one. Means how many each one get? 2 chocolates. Again 3. Again 4. Total how many are left? How many are with you, Nana? 4. So answer is 4. So 24 chocolates you distributed among your 6 friends. Each one will get 4 chocolates. Each one will get 4 chocolates because here you take 4 gems. Okay, Nana? Now you copy this one. Completed, Nana? Shall I move to the next one?
అక్కడ జ్ఞాపకం దేనికి తెలుసుకోవడం కదా.
Okay. Now next one, second one. Look at the second one, Nana. What is the second question? 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. That is the second one. Look at the second one. I'm going to add this one.
రేపు తీసుకో.
Okay, Nana, look at the second one. 18 divided by 3. What is the meaning of this? You have 18 chocolates. First you have 18 chocolates. How many? Among how many you have to distribute, Nana? 3. 3 friends. Okay, so 18 should distribute among 3 children. 18 should distribute among 3 children. So, where onwards you will start? From 0? No. From where onwards you have to start? 18. Find out where is the 18? Here. Circle 18. Circle 18 on the number line. Okay, Nana? Now how many friends are there? 3. How many friends are there? 3. So you have to count each time 3 numbers. Okay? Now start counting. 1, don't count 18. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3.
నేనేమన్నా అడుగుతున్నానా? సైలెంట్ గా ఎవరు తెలియకుండా దూకోవట్లేదు.
First at 15 and second one is at 12. Next start. 1, 2, 3. At 9. Again. 1, 2, 3. At 6. Now 1, 2, 3. At 3. 1, 2, 3. Finally you got 0. Finally you got 0. You have to repeat this process until you get 0. Okay, Nana? Your first number is 18. So start from 18. What is the first number? From that you have to start and you have to move back. Every time how many numbers you have to count for? 3 numbers. Here 3 is there. That's why you have to count each time 3. So 1, 2, 3. First 15. 1, 2, 3. Next 12. 1, 2, 3. Next 9. 1, 2, 3. At 6. 1, 2, 3. At 3. 1, 2, and last one is 0. Now count how many jumps you took. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. And this is the sixth one. How many jumps you completed, Nana? 6 jumps. So answer is 6. Copy the second one.
అదిగో స్పీకర్ లాగా మీకు ఎలా ఎగురుతుందో చూడు.
Until you get 0, you have to repeat this process, Nana.
బావా ఎన్నాళ్ళు దొరికాను దొంగ నా కొడుకు. ఎవడ్రా? వీడే బావా. సోడా కలుపుకోకుండా తాగితే స్వర్గమే తెలుసా? 18 సంవత్సరాల వయసు.
ఏంటిది?
మందు. తాగుతావా? తాగుతావా? ముందు బావా. దీని స్మెల్కి ఒక కుప్పు కూలిపోతుంది.
Shall I move to the next one? Yes? Okay. Next one. Third one. 20 divided by 4.
చీర బస్
one, Nana. 20 divided by 4. That is the third problem. Okay. Now everybody look at the third one.
ఇక్కడికి डिंगो डिंगो पापयो तुम्हारा बाप का नाम क्या है हाँ
Everybody look at the third one, Nana. What is the first number? So first, how many chocolates we have? 20 chocolates. How many you have, Nana? 20. So from 0 onwards, you will start directly. You will find out where is the 20. First, find out where is the 20 on the number line. Where is the 20? Here. Yes, you circle that 20. Everybody circle that 20. Yes. Now, each time, how many friends are there here? 4. How many friends are there? 4. So each time you have to count 4. Okay. Now start. But will you start from 20? No, you should not count 20. You should not count 20. Now, 1, 2. Look at my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not starting from 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where I got, Nana? At 16. Now join 16 and 20. Now join 16 and 20. Completed? Now, again don't count 60. Next number means back number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you got, Nana? 12. So 12 and 16 you join. 12 and 16 you join. Until you get 0, you have to repeat this process. Okay? Next 12. Don't count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you got, Nana? 8. So 8 and 12 you join. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now join 4 and 8. Now join 4 and 8. What, Pushkal Sai? What is your doubt, Nana? This number line, have you understood? Division sum means that is repeated subtraction you are asking. Okay, I will tell. Tomorrow I will tell, Nana. First today you listen this one. Just one example I will give. I will give the explanation tomorrow. First you listen this. Okay, 4. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. So finally we got 0. Finally we got 0. Now count how many gems you got. This is the first gem. See, I am writing from back to front. This is the second. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth gem. So how many gems you take, Nana? 5 gems. So answer is 5. Write 5. Arpita, I will show a class, Nana, means both textbook and notebook today I will start. What man taught I will show. One day I will show definitely. Yes, you follow that. Okay, Nana, notebook part today I will start. Only textbook you have to follow. I will show that one. One day I will show, definitely. Okay, first you copy this one. This is the third one. If you finish, just you close your textbook, Nana, and open your notebook. Everybody, if you finish this, close your textbook and open your notebook, math notebook. Okay? Now everybody ready with your math notebook, Nana? Close your textbook. Yes? This is the note from starting onwards. On second, we gave sixth table. Put in right. Now you take screenshot. Just take screenshot. Don't ask me again and again. Take screenshot. This is the second. January 2nd, we gave this one. And seventh table also we gave on the same day. Sixth and seventh table we gave. Just you take screenshot. Later you copy that. Okay? Next. This textbook part, I will show that one day because very less time we have. I will show the textbook part, what ma'am taught, Nana. First, today's note view. On Tuesday means on 12th, we gave this 8th table. Only notebook part I am showing, Nana. Textbook part I will show one day, definitely I will show. First you take notebook part. 6th table and 7th table we gave before. Now on 12th we gave 8th table. Take screenshot. On 12th we gave 8th table. Just you take screenshot, Nana. Okay? Next. This is today's note regarding division. Keep the heading, chapter 4. First you take screenshot, Nana. I will give the explanation tomorrow regarding this topic. First you take screenshot and complete that. Tomorrow I will give the explanation regarding this. Chapter 4, division. Try to take screenshot. After that you start writing. Divided by, this is the sign of division. Already Miss explained this one. Divided by the sign of division. Okay? Division is simply equal distribution of repeated subtraction. I will give the explanation tomorrow.
Hello?
Yes, you copy this and write this one.
హలో అవునా
Here 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6.
ఆయనకు MBBS సీట్ వచ్చింది
30 is called dividend. 5 is called divisor.
గల్లీ గల్లీ
Here 6 is called quotient. Definitely tomorrow I will do the explanation. Anna. First you copy that in the notebook. Copy these 3 points in your notebook. I will tell dividend, divisor, coefficient. I will tell. Just you copy this.
చచ్చిపోయింది
అవునా అవును కానీ ఈ సంగతి నాకెందుకు చెప్తున్నావు
ఎవరన్నా చచ్చిపోతే ఫస్ట్ అలా సుట్టాలకు చెప్పాలి కదా
your homework. Already Miss gave 8th table now. So again you write, learn and write 8th table. Learn and write. This is homework, Nana. Learn and write 8th table 2 times.
ఎన్ని తీసుకురావాలి? సరే తీసుకొస్తా పో.
8th table 2 times, ma. This is your homework.
బుజ్జి ఇగో 2 జిమ్ ప్యాడ్లు తెచ్చినా.
You should read table. Here in the class means we can give more drilling on the tables, but it is not possible through online. That's why you have to concentrate on the table.
గుండె స్పీడ్ కొట్టుకుంటాడంట.
It is not possible to give drilling, isn't it?
వాడు చెప్పింది
So you have to concentrate it. The class means we can give more drilling. Okay, ma? I will give explanation regarding this dividend, divisor and quotient part. Okay? And repeated subtraction also I will tell. And textbook part what is completed till now, that one I will show one day. Okay? This is the notebook part. Okay, thank you, Nana.
బుజ్జి
Now this is your homework, Nana. 8th table 2 times.
చేస్తా. సరేనా? వాళ్ళు ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్ అడిగిర్రు బుజ్జి. నేను టక్కుమని ఆన్సర్ చెప్పినా జాబ్ ఇచ్చేసారు. నీకు సేల్స్ మ్యాన్ గా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్నదా